Instructional video for giant advertising balloon installation. First of all, lay the balloon down flat on a clean surface or a carpet, and then prepare to separate sets of ropes. Tie one set of ropes onto two anchoring points, preferably two objects that are heavy and stable. And then create a knot in the middle of the first set of ropes that you've just tied to the anchoring points. The rope should look like an inverted alphabet Y when the balloon is up. Now back to the second set of ropes. Tie one end to the balloon ropes, which it is the smaller white ropes attached to the balloon, and then tie the other end to the knot you have tied earlier in the middle of the previous set of ropes. Tape the part that you have tied the ropes to the balloon to further secure the balloon. Now proceed to inflate the balloon with helium gas. Be careful of the inlet tube of the balloon. The compressed helium gas might freeze the tube and puncture it. If the tube is getting hard, just pause a while and continue when it's not frozen. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll show a drone shot of the balloon. Give it a few taps or knocks to check whether the balloon is fully inflated. It should feel full and bouncy when you knock it. Now twist and roll the tube carefully without pulling it downwards, cause it might damage the inlet. Tie a knot and secure it with a rubber band. Push the tube into the balloon to hide it. Tape the inlet to prevent the tube from coming out. You may tie a bunting attached to the rope if you want. Release the rope slowly to avoid unwanted or unnecessary accidents. Oh, almost forgot about the drone shot. Here is the drone shots. As promised,